Hi and welcome to my channel. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to the subscribe button and turn on notification and like this video.
Applicant indicates chute deployed.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed and we are seeing significant deceleration in the velocity. Our current velocity is 440 meters per second.
As NASA's Perseverance rover fell through the Martian atmosphere, a video camera on the spacecraft captured the breakneck deployment of its parachute, which was decorated with splotches of reddish orange and white. Those splotches were a secret message. The zeros and ones need to be split up into chunks of 10 characters. For example, tree red stripe, a white stripes, a red stripe and then 5 more white stripes represents 00000010111 binary. We do a multiplication to convert it to a decimal system, and we get 23. We repeat the process for the rest. Then we convert it to letters using this table. Finally we get the following figure. Note that each of the concentric rings in the parachute pattern contains a word. So we have the secret message. It is also emblazoned on the walls of Mission Control at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. The origins of the phrase are an 1899 speech by Theodore Roosevelt, in which he said, "Far better it is to dare mighty things, to win glorious triumphs, even though checkered by failure, than to take rank with those poor spirits who neither enjoy much nor suffer much, because they live in the great twilight that knows not victory nor defeat." As for this writing, it is written in the form of coordinates. Let's look at it on the map. Then the pattern on the outer edge of the parachute represents 34 degrees 11 minutes 58 seconds and 118 degrees 10 minutes 31 seconds width, the geolocation code of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which carried out a large part of the work on Perseverance. I liked this quote, which is why I put it on the main page of my channel.
Thanks for watching.